Hey everybody, how are you? I hope you are enjoying oil camp and everything that it brings. It's been amazing to be a part of, enjoying all the comments and feedback that we're getting. So keep on using, keep on sharing, which brings me to share with you on Easy Air. So Easy Air is our clear blend, and it's all about that clear breath, clear breathing, clear mind that comes with a clear breath. This was the oil that started the journey for me, and then I have not looked back. I've actually got it diffusing now, which is one of my favorite ways to use the Easy Air blend, and it is just opens up our airways and assists and supports with that, again, that clear breathing. So perfect for this time of year with all the snotty noses and congestion and things that are going around. Absolutely love it. But I love the freshness that it brings in the morning when I'm diffusing as well. So I enjoy in the morning adding a couple of drops of lemon to the blend, and in the evenings it is always the favorite diffusing in my 4-year-old's bedroom for sleepy time. It's Easy Air and lavender. I'm a firm believer, especially with our children, that Easy Air just helps them have a nice restful sleep, and it's because they can breathe better. This blend has oils in it like, let me read it to you, eucalyptus, peppermint, tea tree, lemon, cardamom. Very, very powerful oils. So that's one of my favorite ways, is just simply diffusing it on its own or with a couple of my favorites. The other way I love to use it is topically on my skin, on my children's skin, again, to help that breath. You can make up your own natural vapor rub. So simple, with some coconut oil and your Easy Air blend. You simply get your coconut oil nice and melted, add a few drops to your liking of your Easy Air blend, let it set, and voila, you've got your own vapor rub to rub on your chest or on the soles of your feet or on anyone else's feet and chest for that matter. That's how I love to use it topically. And of course, if you didn't already know, and I guess DIY is not your thing, or it's taken me a while to get DIY savvy, it comes already in its own Easy Air vapor stick from doTERRA. So literally pop the lid and away you go. It's ready to roll, literally. It is an oil I use every day, every evening. And the other way that I like to use Easy Air is just to simply, again, breathe it in. Just pop the lid and take that big deep breath, especially when I'm feeling tight and worried and, oh my gosh, I've got so much things to do, and you can feel those levels increasing. Grab your Easy Air, pop the lid, take that big deep breath, and just let it wash over you, and just go, you know what, catch your breath, it is okay, you've got this. So that's my other favorite way of using Easy Air. I do always have a spare one of these in the house, especially throughout the cooler months, because it has been a godsend and is every single winter, and it's just a wonderful oil to help support our respiratory system. So there you have it, Easy Air clear blend. Let me know what you think of it, how you love to use it, and I hope these ideas and tips have helped you. Okay, talk to you soon, bye.